This is the home section. Okay, and you can add your video as here as well. You can view your services, and then you can write who we are. Now your courses in a structured way, and president information, and then it's basically a modern look for your website. Okay, want any more section in that, we can add that, and if you want to remove any, we can do it as well. The content and images can be customized. All the content which are placed can be customized, and we can place your logo as well. And like once you approve this homepage, we will develop your about, services, project, blog, and contact. And for feature wise, we can discuss the meeting and discuss the features, and then we can proceed with development if you want to start.